Imagine industries operating smarter, cleaner, and more efficiently. That's the future Conny Tech Myanmar is building, one automated solution at a time. We're transforming the landscape of Myanmar's industries, from water treatment plants to factories and smart buildings. It's a future where automation is king, enabling us to work smarter, not harder. With our innovative solutions, we're making strides towards a future where efficiency is the norm, not the exception. Conny Tech Myanmar, transforming Myanmar's industries through automation. We are your trusted partner for industrial automation solutions. Conny Tech Myanmar, established in 2018, is backed by over 3 decades of regional experience. Our dedicated team of professionals has been instrumental in delivering successful projects that have transformed industries. We pride ourselves on our deep understanding of local needs and our capability to provide tailored solutions. Since 2018, we've leveraged our regional expertise and local understanding to empower diverse industries, from water and wastewater to manufacturing and infrastructure. Our expertise is wide-ranging. We've spearheaded numerous projects across diverse sectors, making a tangible difference each time. Take the water industry, for instance. We've delivered clean drinking water to communities and managed industrial wastewater for companies, including the likes of Matsunaga Manufactory. In manufacturing, we've optimized production processes with SCADA PLC controls in Osotspa's energy drink factory and Ataran River's water treatment plant, boosting efficiency and productivity. In the realm of infrastructure, we've enhanced building efficiency with smart automation solutions, streamlining operations, and cutting down on wastage. But we're not just about business efficiency, we're also about a greener future. We're proud to promote sustainability through energy-saving automation, doing our part to reduce carbon footprints and contribute to a healthier planet. So whether it's water management, manufacturing, or infrastructure, our expertise and experience enable us to rise to the challenge. We promote sustainability through energy-saving automation, contributing to a greener future. We don't just automate, we deliver results. Our impact is tangible and far-reaching. With improved product quality and consistency, we've helped businesses thrive in an increasingly competitive market. We've cut down operational costs and energy consumption, fostering a culture of efficiency. By prioritizing safety, we've created secure environments for workers and communities alike. But we don't stop there. Through our innovative solutions, we're shaping a more sustainable future for Myanmar. Our solutions have led to a more sustainable future for Myanmar. From designing and installing custom systems to providing ongoing maintenance and support, we cover it all. Our services are as diverse as the industries we serve. We take the time to understand your unique needs, crafting bespoke automation solutions that deliver real results. Whether you're looking for a smarter way to manage your water treatment plant or a more efficient manufacturing process, we're here to help. And when it comes to turnkey projects, we take care of everything from start to finish. Contact Conny Tech Myanmar today for a free consultation. Reach out to us via email, phone, or our social media platforms. We're eager to hear about your unique challenges and opportunities. And for a limited time, we're offering a free site assessment to qualifying businesses. We'll help you identify potential areas for automation and outline a strategy that suits your needs. Let's discuss your automation needs and help you achieve your goals. As our motto, we engineer your future. The only limit is your imagination. Join us on the journey to a more efficient, sustainable, and prosperous Myanmar. Conny Tech Myanmar is more than just a company. We're a team of innovators, dreamers, and doers, committed to transforming industries one automated solution at a time. Our vision: a future where technology and automation empower every industry, driving growth, sustainability, and prosperity. Together, we can shape this future. Choose Conny Tech Myanmar as your automation partner today.